2:51. Hey.
You stick out of the crowd, baby, it's a no-brainer. It ain't that hard to choose. Him or me, be for real, baby, it's a no-brainer. You got your mind on loose. Go hard and watch the sunrise. One night it change your whole life. Pop top, drop top, baby, it's a no-brainer.
What's going on, YouTube? Finally got my station situated. Took a couple of days to get everything back. Actually, I've got it better than I had it before, but it took me a couple of days to get it situated. And I am all ready. Everything's set. Now I'm about to, start making my videos and everything, but so far, I'm working in, a 3-week advance schedule, if that make any sense. I'm doing things 3 weeks in advance. So a lot of stuff like, vlogging, I'm not gonna be able to do it because I'm gonna have to vlog every day, and that content is gonna gradually come. But my other content, like my beats and my motivational videos and other stuff like that, I'm gonna actually be able to not upload it to get it situated 3 weeks in advance. So with that being said, I have something else scheduled. I have to take some pictures for my IG. So I got everything else situated, so I'm about to go get ready and take my pictures. I might take y'all along with me. I'm by myself doing this, so it's gonna be a hard task, but I'm gonna get it done. I'm ready, motivated, and I'm just get it done. Just gotta work hard to get to where you wanna be at. So I'm gonna see you on the other side. Yeah, I got my pictures done. Got that situated. And now, I don't know what I'm about to do. I'm about to finish, getting everything else situated. Because, I'm in grind mode, so I gotta keep grinding. And I still have a problem with that wasp nest, but it's so cold out here, they ain't even making a move. But trust and believe, I will get it down. I actually tried the other day, which is retarded, because I used the rake to hit the wasp nest, and that failed miserably. I hit it, dropped the rake and ran. So I came back out, seen that my rake was broke practically. I broke the little claws on it. So I can still use it, but most likely I'm just give me a new rake. Hey, look, I ain't a big fan of any bug, but wasp, they got my respect to a degree. But having me change my parking spot, it's an issue right there. But I'm just talking about nothing. I'm headed to the store right now, about to get some supplies, and I'm gonna get back to the grind. I'm gonna holler at y'all later. I'm gonna finish this vlog, because usually I just make clips and then don't even finish it, and then I end up shooting another vlog another day and don't even finish it. I be having mad clips of daily stuff that I'm just talking about, but I'm gonna make sure I finish this one today. I don't know what I'm gonna do for the rest of the day. I'm gonna make sure I finish it, so I'm gonna get back at y'all later. What's going on, YouTube? I promise you that I was gonna finish this video. Yeah, I got a few things I'm gonna talk about. Actually, I got one thing I'm gonna talk about, and it's kind of my struggle. Just posting every day. I made a plan to get my social social media in order. So, what the heck am I supposed to be doing? Oh yeah. So I practically made a plan. Yeah, I just want to get this out. A checklist so I can make sure, I post every day, stay consistent. We'll go over that. And right now I'm at work, so I'm taking a little break, eating. And yeah, so as y'all all know, my whole dilemma with my iPad. I currently got my iPad back and it's working, so I'm all set with that. But that was my dilemma. That's the reason why I couldn't upload no videos or anything, and that's because of that. So I got that situated. So now I made a checklist so I could stay consistent. But before, I really wasn't consistent. I was just, just throwing out stuff here and there, and didn't really have a program down pat. Now, being that I don't have a manager, I'm doing everything by myself, so I have to manage myself. So, that being said, I made a checklist. The checklist will grow as I go along, but so far I have the basics down so I could be able to post every day. Now I only have 2 media platforms right now. One is IG, Instagram, and the other one is YouTube. YouTube, I post videos, just videos obviously, and Instagram, post pictures and videos and some other stuff. So I got this whole checklist, and I'm not really gonna tell y'all what's on the checklist, but just know that I will be having content consistently. So, that being said, I think I should put another one on there. So I got that situated. My other dilemma with the wasp is still the same dilemma. I'm having an issue, with that situation, but the weather is about to change, so I ain't gonna really have an issue no longer, because once it get cold out, they ain't gonna really be able to fight back. You know what I mean? But yeah, hold on, make sure. And I got one more minute. Alright. And I will be scrambling this at the end of the video. First I'm gonna eat, and I'm gonna scramble this at the end of the video. Just to see if I still got it. Unscramble. Did I say it? I don't know. Just to see if I still got it. I ain't no pro. I can't do it, within 20-something seconds. I think that's the fastest time. I think it might be like 14 seconds or something like that. There's like little kids that be doing it. Flipping it mad fast. I'm like, I can't do it like that. Can't do it. Look. It's kind of like a mini mukbang, but not really. What's good, YouTube? Alright. Now, today is currently the next day. My battery died. I said I was gonna finish it yesterday, but I'm gonna finish it regardless. I'm gonna be unscrambling the Rubik's Cube. Now, the fastest time I've got, I think it was 2:15 or something like that. 2 minutes and 15 seconds. I'm gonna see if I could break that. All right, starting at 0. Yeah, there we go. $2.51. Alright. I know I could do better, but I ain't gonna do it right now. Hope you like the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and holla at me.